at how sweet it is.
Don't break my heart.
Take him home.
Oh, I have 3. Are you kidding
I have
me? My
8.
husband will divorce me. My kids have been begging for more cats, my daughter particularly, but I'm like, I work 2 jobs. I'm in school full time. What else do you want people? Very cute.
How you doing?
For a cat in the water, that's actually pretty good. No pre-med, nothing? That's
No,
just the cat?
I didn't want to depress it until, because then then her head bobs in the water.
Yeah.
You know.
That's, I mean, it's actually really
Hey.
Got some color
We
coming
have a
through.
white kitty under here. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Oh, don't taste it. It tastes bad. It tastes bad. You don't want to taste it.
I'll probably help with these fleas too.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know, but you're dirty. You dirty muffin. Dirty muffins have to have dirty muffin bags. It's a boy or a girl. It's a little boy. What should we name the little boy? We'll name him Kaniki for Greece. Get it?
No, we'll name him Don. D-O-N, not so
Oh, right.
Once you name him, you gotta keep it.
Yeah.
That's bad.
I know. You're being a good baby. You're being a good baby. You're being a good muffin. Oh, good muffin kitty. Good critter muffin. He's filthy. I may need to dump this and do 2. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you mind? I know it's big giant tubs of water aren't exactly light, but I think he's gonna need a lather, rinse, repeat. Huh? Okay. Do you mind taking that? And then rinse water. You are dirty. Darn. I know. You okay? Fine. It's nice, huh? Are you going to be one of those kitties in the warm bath on YouTube? You going to go on YouTube and say I like my warm baths? Oh, clean my toes.